What's up, guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video, I wanted to ask you guys what videos you want to see next. I know I could do a poll, but I wanted to make this video and just connect with you guys and just ask you guys, what videos do you want to see next? I know I do backflip videos a lot, working out videos, all that type of stuff, but to be honest, I just want to know what you guys want from videos, and just checking in on you guys and seeing what you guys want from this channel. And so yeah, just asking you guys, what videos would you like to see next? Not that I'm running out of ideas. I just want to see, I want to get a poll on what video, who wants, how many people want what videos and all that. Comment below and just see, you know, what videos you want to see next. Click the link in the description for my story. Subscribe, hit the notifications bell for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless, guys.